not gonna take long. No, they have no patience. No patience. This harp is super holy. They got the Lord with it. That's it, guys. Good morning. It's Monday. A beautiful Monday. Y'all be riding with me and David today. We got nothing but 15 yarders today. We're gonna pick this one up, dump it, deliver it to Ferris, pick one up in Kaufman, dump it at McComas, deliver it to South Dallas, pick one up in DeSoto, dump it, deliver it to Corsicana, pick one up in Corsicana, dump it, take it back to the yard, and that's it. So, nothing but 15s today, but y'all be riding with us. That's our first one of the day. Let's have some fun. Hopefully I can get off early. All three of these little boys got baseball practice today, so hopefully the rain we got yesterday ain't got the fields wet, and they canceled practice because my oldest starts playoffs tomorrow. They win tomorrow, they play for the championship on Wednesday, which we should, because we've been putting belt to ass all season long. So, hopefully we'll have a good day. Let's have some fun and let's get out of here. Good morning, Daniel. I just want to let you know I am on my way to deliver your dumpster.
Appreciate it, man. Just go to the right side of the driveway, closest to the front door, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir. I got you.
So that way they can get in and out of the driveway.
All right, I got you.
All right, buddy. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Easy enough. Right side of the driveway, closest to the front door.
Put it on the right side. I'll put it up closer towards the street instead of further back towards the house.
Okay, put it on the right side, but closest to the street?
Yeah, that way if he does want to try to get in there and wiggle back and forth, he can get it out.
Okay. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will do that.
All right, thank you, buddy.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah, good. Kind of straighten it up. They requested rollies. So rollies they're gonna get. Let's see if I got it right. Oh yeah! Look at that dumpster skating. Boom. Just like that. Let me put this in real quick, guys. And then we'll roll out. Go. They said no turnaround.
Down the street where our location
Dude, you got some cool stuff on here. Illegal dump site for Trinity River, that's awesome.
Yeah, that was a fun video.
Yeah, but at least you're bringing attention to it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something will happen about it, that's awesome, dude.
What's going on?
How about, man? Done, thank you guys.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Drainage though, from there's a neighborhood over there.
Yeah. Pick one up in Kaufman.
Made any valuable connections or partnerships here at the expo?
Over the 3 years we've been coming since the Dumpster Expo became an event, we have existing relationships that we've grown from that first year to now. There's a lot of guys we look forward to seeing. Just as an example, last night at our hotel, we start off with 5 guys at a table, just talking shop, learning from each other, turned into 8, then 12, then 16. All of a sudden, we had probably 25 guys sitting in a big circle in our hotel lobby, learning from each other, talking about experiences and how we can help each other. That creates new relationships as well by getting introduced from, our current or existing, relationships that we've already built over the years. And just snowball effect, right? It's great for everyone.
If not, I can put it in the street, or is everything coming from the garage?
Everything is coming from the garage.
So it'll be, yeah, whenever maybe y'all can put one car in and then park the other one behind it, if that'll work.
Okay. My husband said so he'll be able to determine if we're able to get you there.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, if you can let him know, I'll be there in 4 minutes, coming up Conquer Hill.
I'll let him know. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Good morning, how you doing today? She said y'all still want to park in the garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, so where do you think's best to put this one?
On the left-hand side here.
Right here? Yeah, I can put it like, well, the front of it's like right here, kinda. If that car wasn't there, it'd be a whole lot better. If that car wasn't there, it'd be a whole lot better.
Oh, they don't say that.
They don't say there? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll get it on this side and like close to the curb as I can for you. You're welcome. This damn car. Say. Not too bad. Oh, hell yeah. Y'all wanna go, I'm gonna push it this way a little bit more, scoot back a little bit, or is that good? That perfect? All right. All right, let me get out of here and get out of your way. You very well. Oh, yeah, that car, yeah. But, I mean, I'm skilled, so I got this. Yeah, Hey, you have a good one. Hey, no damn boy, chicken wing. Let me reverse this bad boy and take a picture. Not bad. Let's roll out. Oh shit. Boy, them little kids gonna die at practice tonight. Whew. Oh yeah. Get them bitch some gas and get out of here. Oh yeah. I'll tarp it right here by this street.
Tried to take it through the fence. Come on.
No, that boy can't even filter. This is Daniel Baker with American AF Dumpsters.
Hi, yes.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to give you a call and let you know I am headed your way.
That's okay. I think you've been here before. I'll be here when you get here, so I'll show you where to put it.
Okay, thank you. It'll be around.
So as soon as you see my driveway, there's a little gate.
Yes, ma'am.
It's just my gate there, okay?
Okay, perfect. I'll be there in about 33 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Awesome. Bye. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Bye-bye. Nah, I ain't been there, guys. I ain't been there. Must have been Rudy, but it wasn't me. It'll be my first time. But let's go to Corsicana. Let's see. Okay.
Was you?
I remember this.
It was DV.
It was, but that Jeep is where I had it last time, so I wonder if they still want it on that side. Yeah, I can still do it with that there. Yeah, over here, or like in the driveway still. I can put the back like right here, so you can still swing the door open. You don't need to move that. No, you're not in the way. I'm positive. Yeah, I'm positive. Yeah, I got this. I'm gonna just back straight up and drop it like right here. Okay. All right. Yeah, it'll open that way. So I'll put the back right here. You're on YouTube. YouTube.
Really?
Yes,
Part of
ma'am.
our business.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yeah, super cool.
Don't feel me though. I would have gotten better clothes on.
Yeah, you're all right.
Let's start all over again.
Are you gonna go change or something? Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, nice. But yeah, I'll drop it right here. I'll drop it right here and put the back right there and yup. You're welcome. Well, that'd be good. Yeah, because you still have plenty of room to swing that door open. You're welcome. Oh, okay.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, open it. Yeah, it's just a little chain. And then it locks over here with the chain as well. You're very welcome. You enjoy the rest of your day, ma'am. Bye. Yeah, it was me last time. Big DV. Alright, let's see. She's a YouTube star as well, but she does her own YouTube. Alright, let me put this in here, see how far we are. Our pickups here in Corsicana as well. Damn, 30 minutes away. Shit. Alright, let's roll.
Finish the sentence. I'll definitely be back next year because
I'll have a. It's a good one. I don't know. It's like a whole vibe. So it kind of boosts you up to kind of keep going, you know. So I'd definitely be back next year because there's always something to learn. So that's definitely why I'd be back next year. There's always something to learn. Definitely the networking is probably the key thing to this whole show. I do like the speakers. They're definitely very knowledgeable, but I like the one-on-one time best. And you kind of get everybody in one room.
yeah.
So.
Yes, ma'am. Is there any way I can get inside this gate?
Oh, no, you're at the wrong place. If you drive a little bit down the road, it's the second house visible on the left. So you just need to come a little bit further down the road. You'll see it.
All right, so it's not these green gates. You keep going down and it'll be on my left?
Yeah, it's to the right. Sorry.
Oh, to the right. Oh, okay, perfect. There we go.
Yeah, you'll see it. It's in a big long driveway.
Yeah, I got it. I'm about to back up to it right now. We're good now. It's a whole lot better. Bro, did they even throw anything away? This thing is empty. Alright, let's see what our next move is. Oh, shit. Bruh. I still gotta dump it, but golly. It's like 300 pounds. There's a table, a couple bags, and that's about it. Nice little mobile home. Alright, we're that far. Oh shit. Alright, let's roll. Been good, busy shit. Hell yeah. Turn that off and we ready to roll. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, just what y'all got over here? Y'all got that Bapple? Oh, I thought you were drinking that Bush Apple. That Bush Apple's pretty good. It is, but it's good. It's good. It is good. Yeah, no, I don't drink that. That's girly. That's girl. That's more girly than the Bush Apple. Yeah, but the Bush Apple, it's hard. They're hard to find though. Yeah. Me either. My homeboy had some. He brought them from Oklahoma. Yeah, I ain't seen them here yet. I seen the Keystone apple. They're a little bit better, but on the whiskey, yeah, not me. I can't handle the whiskey. Hey, yeah. What? All that's just that wood? Oh, okay. It'll fit. It'll fit. Yeah, whenever it's ready. As long as it don't rain too hard, I'll get back here with no problem. But if it rains too hard, might get a little sketchy. Yeah. Most likely, yeah. That's how it normally goes if it rains, yeah. But hopefully it doesn't show any rain in the forecast, so hopefully we should be all right. Our shop's right in Record Springs, right behind that Chevron. Yeah, right there in Record Springs. But yeah, we gotta go to it. Nah, I just drive. Nah, that ain't me. And that's our YouTube guy. They all on YouTube now. Yeah, now y'all are too. Yeah.
Hey, I got a YouTube account.
For real? What is it? Sideshow 67. XX.
Sideshow. Give me a picture of me and my wife. I got a bunch of videos on there to check out. I think I got
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet. They got to subscribe to us now. American AF Dumpsters.
Here, type it in. I'll follow you.
Damn, you need to
follow
go.
me, I'll follow you.
You need to go find a what's it called? A charger.
Hell yeah.
Shit, hold on, I can't type. All right, man. Yeah, well, y'all be good, man. Have a good one. Yeah, a little bit of rain. I'm not coming back here. Should be 35. Come from the shop. What up? It's your boy DV, David, back at the HQ after a good little 9-hour shift. Nothing too bad. Might be a little bit longer. I don't know if Josh is trying to fix that tarp arm or not yet, but we'll see. But anyway, yeah, that was it. Had a pretty good, successful day. Messed around with 15 yarders all day until this last delivery with the 20. I forgot what all we did, but yeah. I mean, we stopped at Arby's. Beef and cheddar with a buffalo chicken slider with curly fries. Never fails. You know, big boys gotta eat. But yeah, that was it for the day. As of now, I don't know what Josh got going on. Might help him. Hopefully I can help him and get out of here quick, because I got practice from 5:30 to 7 and 7 to 8:30, 2 different teams. But yeah, that was it. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's been a while. Y'all don't get to ride with me that much. It's always Josh. He's hogging the camera now lately. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Until next time.